Hello guys, welcome to Next Coders. Uh, this is the third episode of full Python course in our YouTube channel. In the first episode of this course, I had explained about installation. Actually, it's a short video. And in the first episode, I had explained about features of Python and real-time applications in Python. And in the second episode, I had explained about compiler and interpreter, difference between them, and also Python execution flow. Before getting started into inheritors and variables, I thought of discussing about opening Python and about ideally and also different modes in ideally and also basic mathematical operations used in Python. So I had explained about mathematical operations, which are basic mathematical operations in Maths for Programmers course. You also check out that video, and I will add it into the description. So this is the table of contents of this today's video. In today's video, I will explain about opening Python window and also ideally I had told how to install Python into your desktop in the first video in this course playlist. You can also check out that video, and I will add it to the last end screen. And I will tell about interactive and script mode in this video, and also creating, opening a file, and also running it, and print function, and also about basic mathematical operations, also known as arithmetic operations. I think you had learned these concepts in your basic lower school level, so you can also skip it. Okay, first opening Python ideally. Welcome to this course. And opening Python and ideally. Ideally refers to integrated development and learning environment. So I'll show ideally. Actually, first we'll open Python. This is the Python window. You can see here. So I had explained about installing Python into a desktop. So and I will also open IDLE. IDLE. This is ideally. And ideally consists of two modes, which are script mode and also interactive mode. Actually, the thing which is opened here is interactive mode, which means you write print when you write print hello, it gives output as early as possible because it follows line by line execution, comment by comment. Print next coders. You can see the execution server has been giving the output line by line after the first instruction. So when we open a new file, now we will write this course print hello coders. Let's save the file, and you can see when we had given the two commands here, we got hello ones and coders ones, but we had written two lines of code here, and the output we got is two at once. So the thing which we got here is from the interactive mode, and code written here is the script mode. So going into further, we can know about this interactive and script mode deeply. And also in this Python window, it follows only script mode. Sorry, interactive mode. It doesn't support script mode. So ideally is completed. As I said earlier, interactive mode is for quick testing. Interactive mode lets you run Python commands line by line. So you can see here print hi, and as we print hi, it's the first instruction we got hi, and a equals 1, print a, we got 1. So it gives line by line, and it is used for quick testing and quick calculations. And also by pressing enter, you can see our code executed immediately. And in the script mode, first we need to open a file, as I showed you last time. We need to open a file and write our code and save it and run it, and you will get the command and creating your first Python file. Okay, just open ideally. as is shown here. New file, open new file, write any code like a equals to 1, b equals to 2, 3, print a. So just save this file by clicking on save. Save with any number. So it got saved, and the file had been created and saved into a file directory, so you can run on it, and you got the output. Actually, this is a script mode. In script mode, we need to open a file and save it, and later we need to run it. But in interactive mode, we doesn't need any of the story. Okay. Next, okay, I will going to explain about print function. Actually, print function helps us to display the numbers, text, or anything. So, for example, let's open interactive mode instead of this. This is interactive mode. The interactive mode window has been opened. So this is the print. You want to print hello. So just keep the colons, single or double. It's your wish. So you had seen that hello had been printed, and a equals to 1. Print a. You can see a has been printed. A equals to 1. Since a is a variable, we doesn't need to keep the colons here. When you keep the colons, you can see. Sorry. You can see a has been printed, but 1 is not printed, so it's a variable. I will discuss about this in the next video. So let's move on to the next topic, which are basic math operations in Python. So I hope you had learned this in your previous classes or in lower classes. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus operator. Modulus means which this provides the remainder of the division, and power, which also known as exponent. So let's open it. I'll show the basic operations. For example, 5 plus 3, you got 8. But you can do a equals to 5, b equals to 8, a plus b 13. Also you can do like this, print 5, print 5 plus 3, you can get and also print a, and a plus b, you can also get the answer. So in various ways you can perform the mathematical operations like 5 into 3, 15, 4 minus 5 minus 1, 9 divided by 8. So when you divide 9 by 0, you will get error, because division by 0 error, because it is undefined. And the next mathematical operator, floor division, 7 divided by floor. We need to use double slash in floor division. 4, 7 divided by 4, 1, because when you divide when you divide 7 by 4, you will get 4 point 4.75 as the answer. But in this floor division operator, you will doesn't get the decimal numbers. You will only get the natural number as your answer. So next, modulo operator. I hope you all know about the first four operations, but many of the people watching this video doesn't know about floor division, modulus, and power operator. In modulus operator, we will use the 7 and 4 modulo operator. 7. When you divide 7 with 4, you will get 3 as the remainder. So modulo operator gives you the remainder. And I had discussed about these operators in Maths for Programmers course. You can check out that video. So the session is over for today. Then the next video, I'm going to explain about variables, and also known as inheritors, and also literals. So I will provide this notes to you, the link in the description, and also provide the link of Maths for Python, Maths for Programmers course, and also installation of Python video. And stay tuned for the next video of Python course. Subscribe to Next Encoders and like this video.